Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by using soaked rice and prepped fillings immediately so you don't lose steam. First, line the mold with 1 or 2 leaves to create a non-stick barrier. Make sure the leaf veins face outward. Next, add a thin rice base, press gently, then place fillings in the center. Don't overstuff. Once done, cover with more rice and press firmly to compact. You'll feel when the mass is dense enough. That's your cue to close the mold and lock it in place. You must compress evenly for consistent cooking, so press in 3 steady strokes, top, sides, then top again, to reach about 80% capacity. Then, overlap the bamboo leaves by 1 to 2 centimeters to prevent leakage during steaming. Fold edges inward so the package holds shape. Make sure the mold's latch is tight or bind the Zongzi with twine. A loose closure will let water in and dilute flavor. Once sealed, inspect seams and adjust leaves where necessary. You finish by cooking on a steady simmer for 2 to 3 hours. Larger Zongzi need longer, so keep the water at a low boil and check level regularly. Once done, let the mold cool 15 to 30 minutes so the rice firms up and releases cleanly. Unmold gently to avoid tearing the leaves. If things go wrong, when soggy, return to steam for 20 to 30 minutes. When dry, briefly wrap in a damp towel to restore moisture. Serve warm. Enjoy the texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.